Hi, this is Jana with MarineMax Yacht Center in Pompano Beach. I'm here today to present you our beautiful 25-meter brand new release to the industry, and we're gonna take you inside so you can see it. Come with me. First, we're gonna start here on the platform where we have a hydraulic platform and a garage that will hold a 4-meter tender. Now let's step into the boat. Beautifully designed cockpit with a bar area right here, as you can see. So this is the cockpit of the 25-meter with the stereo system, cameras, you name it. Now we're going to step up to the beautiful fly bridge. This is a work of art. A beautiful jacuzzi right here with some pads on the side. A very functional bar, very modern, with a very nice table here on the side, on the board side. You have a convertible top here on top for the days that is not as hot. Beautifully designed chairs made for your 25-meter. Your helm with top of the line platinum package Raymarine, the best of the best. And I'm gonna take you back. This is truly a well-designed boat where every corner was taken into consideration. The walls, the lights, the windows, everything is his creation. Another beautiful feature about this boat is that here you have privacy with a door that closes for when you want a privacy from the crew, and this becomes a frosted glass. Now just watch. Look at that. Now it's not frosted anymore. Now gives you full vision and access to the captain. The helm station, it's a floating helm station, newly designed for this vessel. Chairs that are automatic and designed for the boat with premium leather. The finishes on this boat, everything is very solid and well built. You have to come see it in person to appreciate it. Now I'm gonna take you to the second floor. And I want you to pay attention here because now we're going down a staircase. It could be just a regular staircase, but it isn't. Look at the shape of the waves right under there with indirectly lights. This handle right here could be just a regular stainless steel, but it still is a piece of art right here. The walls, everything is really an accent to make the boat even prettier. Now, welcome to your master. Here you have a walk-in closet, a very beautiful headboard designed to create this dimension. Here even our little compartment under the TV, it's actually designed for the boat. The TV is actually behind this mirror and you can only see it once the light comes on. It's important to say that this boat is equipped with a very long list of audio and video equipment. Here you have your head, which is a double vanity, of course, with beautiful marble floors, marble top, and a beautiful laid out teak shower where you have a seating area. You just feel like in a little sauna when you're in here. Look at the thickness of the doors. I want you to see this because there is not many doors on the industry that are thick as this. Everything really well built. We are now on the port side of the boat and you have a Pullman bed with a twin bed here. So you have another, here we're in the starboard side. So you have actually a double bed with its own head as well and shower. VIP with a lot of space to walk around, a lot of storage. Again, the TV behind a mirror, its own head again. As you can see, there's a lot of different details to the boat that you only see in custom designed vessels. Now to one of the most beautiful areas of this boat, right here on the bow. You not only have a seating area here, but you also have an electric awning for shade. You have a table that opens up. You have this whole sun pad here in front of you. And actually, if we go over here and we press a button, this whole back area here will convert into a sitting area. So this is our beautiful, newly designed 25-meter. I hope you enjoyed my tour. If you have any question, please call Jana at 954-732-8489. And I'm always available to help you. I would love to make your dream come true. This is one of the finest yachts in the industry. Please call us for more details. Thank you for watching.